So hello students. So in this chapter 4th we'll discuss about the classification system and life cycle of agaricus, general characters of fungi. Now today we'll discuss about the utilization of fungi. So in this utilization of fungi, mostly in the industries, many fungi are used in the production of alcohol, cheese, bread, then enzymes, then the organic acids and the hormone preparations. So the first one discussed, that is the alcohol productions. Then the Saccharomyces species, then the Candida species are used in the ethyl alcohol productions, such as beer, whiskey, and the wine productions by malt fermentation, or the fungi like Saccharomyces species. Okay, now the next is the cheese industries. Some species like the penicillium are used in the production of cheese by the hydrolysis of fats. Fungi acts by the means of two ways. They are responsible for the ripening of the cheese and they give a texture, color and flavor to the cheese. The main can say types of refined cheese is as follows, that is the Camembert cheese and the Roquefort or the Danish blue cheese. Sorry. Then the next is the bread productions. In the baker's yeast, that is the Saccharomyces, is used in the baking industries. Fermentations of yeast releases carbon dioxide as bubbles and are used in the baking industries to make the bread spongy. The next is the enzyme productions. So in this, that is the Aspergillus niger yields amylase for the starch splitting components. From Saccharomyces enzymes invertase is been obtained. So other examples are as follows, that is a proteases from the Aspergillus oryza, then the Aspergillus flavors is that, then the pectin is from the Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus venti is that, then lipase enzymes is formed from the species of Aspergillus, then cellulose from again Aspergillus niger, then penicillium, puselium, and the chitinase is from the trichoderma. So these are the enzymes and the various other fungi has been used for the preparation of enzyme production. Next is the organic acid productions. So in this, oxalic acid is the fermentation product of Aspergillus niger. So the citric acid is made by the malt formations like Aspergillus niger, then the Aspergillus species is been used. Then gluconic acid and the gallic acid is also obtained from the Aspergillus niger. Okay, so this lactic acid is being prepared from the rhizopus species. Okay, so the next, that is the gibberellin, that is the plant hormones released by the fungus Gibberella fujicoria. Okay, now the next, that is the utilization of fungi in the agriculture fields. So fungi are called as the scavengers as they causes degradations of organic matters with their elaborate enzyme systems. Thus they causes decomposition of complex organic matter into their inorganic components and thus improve soil fertility. So this Aspergillus fusarium rhizopus decomposes organic matter to improve soil fertility. Okay. Now the fungi are used in biological control. It is a biological control agent one to control the insects, nematodes, weeds, and some pathogenic fungi also been used. For example, trichoderma suppresses the growth of root rot fungus, that is a pythium, leaf blight that causes blight of tomato, groundnut, etc. So they are called as mycofungicides. So fungus are used in the mycovidicide also, that is a Calotropicum species that can be used as a biocontrol agent for fodder weed. Many fungi are utilized for controlling soil-borne organisms, as an example Nematopora, which is capable of controlling cereal cyst nematodes. So the fungi are also used as a myco-insecticides. Example is the Bavaria impusa, okay, which control the variety of insect pests. So this fungi have a symbiotic relationships with a large number of plants' roots. Also, that is a mycorrhiza. So they help plants against variety of stress as well as they causes supply of photosporous supply of phosphorus and other minerals from the soil suspensions. Thus, they help in water absorption from various layers of soil and play a dominant role in the uptake of less mobile plant nutrition. So, the fungi are concentrated with the soil aggregations and soil fertility. So, many common fungi like Aspergillus, uh, Cladosporium, Mucorrhizopus, etc., have soil binding property. So, many mushrooms is a natural flora of forest soil, causing degradations of forest waste to form a humus-rich soil. Again, this fungi we can say gibberella is used in the production of growth hormone by gibberellins that accelerate the growth of many crops. Thank you very much.